Wanna learn a language? You need vocabulary. Memorize vocabulary for free with flashcards. Download the app, it's in the description, no worries, as always. Now let's disable some advertising. Sign up with your Google account, really easy. Choose the language you want to learn. Choose your language. I'll go with Russian. Let's keep premium. This app is really good because it shows you the step-by-step where you should go, what you should do. Just follow the hand. Let's learn the instructions. If you swipe up, you want to learn this word. This is how you choose the words. Swipe them up. You can listen to the vocabulary. Repeat it if you want to.
Обмен. Обмен. Приходить. Власть.
Now let's watch the video. As the teacher speaks, you can follow the words with the hand.
Привет, Сергей! Привет, зайка! Привет, Сергей! Как ваши дела? Да, все нормально.
If you want, you can mark these words to learn. Choose the words you don't know by clicking on them. You can follow what they are saying, which is really good. You have the transcript. Give it some love. After all, it's free. Now that you have some words in the deck, you are going to start practicing them. You listen to the words, try to remember what it means, and then you click on it and you see the translation to see if you were right. So if you know the word, swipe it to the right. This means you will see it later on, but not just now. You're not practicing it because you already know it. If you don't know the word, swipe it left, because this means that you will see it and practice it more. Explanation again about swiping left and right. So now learn more words and swipe left or swipe right.
Провели.
How often do you want to study? Not a lot? Regularly? Very, very often. Which is your choice. Now you have a mission. Let's see what it is. You're going to add 4 more words, and this means that you're going to light up a fire. As you can see, the help of the hand always. You never get lost. You have the word and the translation. If you already know it, you can send it to trash. Click on Learn. You can also add words of your own. And that's it. You can explore it some more. It's really amazing. Why? Because you memorize the vocabulary in a fun and engaging way, and you're always repeating the words. If you don't memorize them well the first time, you'll get to see these words a lot of times more. So this is really good, and it's free. So what are you waiting for? Check it out. I'm sure you're going to love it. So if you like this video and you want to learn a language, I have a full playlist on that, and you have amazing tools. This one is one of them, and you have so many more. You can practice listening, speaking, writing on AI tools for free. Check out the playlist. I'm sure you're going to love it. I also have many tutorials on AI free tools, which are pretty amazing for your projects. Check them out as well. I'll leave a link in the description as always. So if you liked the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you so much for supporting my work. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.